And we're back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create captions and subtitles in Premiere Pro. Let us put some video footage in the timeline and an audio track. It has 3 sentences that we want to add captions to. And let me delete this part of the footage. You will find that via description link below. Afterwards, right click, new item and captions. Click on OK and you've got this window. Understand that you can change your captions from closed to open. We are gonna use open in this tutorial. If you use closed, they can be shown and hidden with the video player afterwards. If that option is part of the video player, and the open captions, they will be shown always in your video. So now we've got our captions file and we'll put it in timeline as well. Increase the size, and under captions you can go to window and captions to find that window. There you can adjust the text. And you not only have the captions file, you've got these little text boxes within the captions bar. And you can add the start and stop time. Let us put some random text in there. And you see it has automatically created it as a caption. Click after the background box and you can turn down the opacity to 0. Let's add the second sentence. Go to the starting position that you want to have. Add a new caption and you can change the start, the in and the stop, the out time right here. Just copy the start time, which is 5:12 in this case, and paste it there. We want to have an out time here at 10:02. Let's just paste that right here. Now we need the second line of our text. I'll copy paste it once more. And now we only need to take care of the last line. Once more, click on the plus sign to add a new caption. Copy paste the starting, the in and the out time. And then add your text. And we're done. Let's get back to the starting position and roll the clip. Dolly Zoom is a new quick shot for the Mavic 2 Zoom, offering an otherworldly perspective in a fully integrated drone. Dolly Zoom automatically adjusts focus. And as you can see, the captions are now timed perfectly to the audio. And this is the way you can create captions and subtitles in Premiere Pro very easily. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.